Hello guys, it's Sonia with the same sweatshirt as my last video because it's the same day. I hope you guys don't mind. I mean, I didn't have time to change, to be honest, because I'm wearing the same makeup look, so I hope you guys don't mind. So anyways guys, I decided to finally film this video of this hair because people have been asking me how I do this hair. I know it's trending at the moment and I've done it a couple of times and posted pictures on my Instagram, and people have been asking me how I do it, so I wanted to do it for you guys. All you need is this triple barrel waver by Andrew Barton, or you can get it from any other company, I guess. I mean, it's not something special, so you just need that and hairstyling gel or a mousse or something like that. And make sure, I forgot to mention this, but make sure you're doing it on your natural hair. Make sure you're doing it on your natural hair. So Mom, so make sure you are doing it on your natural hair. Oh, finally some sun. So anyways, make sure you're doing it on your natural hair and you haven't applied anything like any serum or any sprays or anything like that, because your hair needs to be as dry as possible. I mean, for this waver to work faster, because if your hair is a bit silky, then they'll kind of push down and it'll get spoiled faster. If you want it to last for like 2 to 3 days, then that's my advice. So anyways guys, if you guys want to see how I got this hair, then please keep watching, and trust me, it doesn't even take long. So guys, the first thing you want to do is part your hair in the middle like that. You can use a comb or you can use your fingers, and just take your hair and put it into 2 parts like that. And I'm going to be using this triple barrel tongue curler waver. I think it's a waver, yeah, triple barrel waver, and it's by Andrew Barton, the professional one. So we are gonna be using this, and it heats up really fast, so that's the good part. So I'm gonna be taking just pieces like this. I'm gonna be showing you a bit and then I'll do the rest very quickly. So the only thing you need is this triple barrel waver and hairstyling gel or mousse or something that will keep your hair intact, because whenever I do this, it lasts for like at least 2 or 3 days. So just take a bit, take the barrel and start at the top. Just keep it there for like about 5 to 10 seconds and then just go next. Keep holding the down hair so that it can go down as per how you want it to. As you guys can see how fast it's doing, this barrel is amazing. So I'm gonna take another part. That much right there, and do the same. Start from the top, coming downwards. And don't push your hair down like this when you're done doing it. Or when you're doing it, don't push your hair down. Just leave it up so that the curl can stay and cannot get spoiled. keeps coming off. I'm gonna do something. So as you guys can see, I hope you guys can see exactly what's going on. I think once you get the barrel, you'll be good to go. You'll just learn it yourself. But it's very easy. It takes me about 15 to 20 minutes to do my whole hair. Maximum 25 minutes. And it looks very nice, to be honest. You can style it later. I mean, right now it looks a bit bumpy and all that, but you can style it just the way you want later. So let me do the rest of the hair, and then when I come here in front, we can talk again. Okay, so this is how I do the back, guys. I just pull my hair from the back and bring it here, and then take it like this. So it's easier for me to see what I'm doing, because it's hard if you take this side of your hand behind. It's very difficult. So yeah, this side is all done. Just the back is left and the front. Then we can put the gel, and I'll teach you guys how to put the gel. Or if you guys have mousse. I have mousse as well, but I prefer using gel. But whatever you guys prefer. So once you're done with your full hair, it should look as crazy as this, guys. So what you want to do is just brush through with your fingers. Just brush through. If you have long nails, I mean, the better. I don't have long nails at the moment. So just brush through. But while days go by, it gets better, as in it sits down a bit more. So what you want to do is just take hairstyling gel or mousse or something that will keep your hair intact. So just take a bit of this, and just use your fingers and take your hair upwards like this. And the more you apply, the more it will give you that wet look. For now, we're just applying it so that it can take all the flyaways. And what you want to do for here is just take a bit more on your fingers and just go downwards, so there's a bit of shine and there's no, it's not so messy. You guys understand what I'm trying to say? Just brush through with your fingers. Take more of gel if you need. Well, I need. My hair is pretty thick, guys. For behind, and just like that. Just take and just apply a bit more. I don't like when there's one hair popping out. I like it to be all down and even, guys. All down and even. I think it's perfect. So you guys see, this hair like took me like about 30 minutes with putting the gel and all that, with styling it. Maximum 30 minutes, guys. Maximum 30 minutes. You can't take longer than that. And it looks so nice. It looks so gorgeous for night out, or you know, something, a friend's weekend or something, you know, that you're doing. It looks very nice. And if you don't have fringe like me, then it will sit better, guys. It will sit better, trust me. I know some of you guys must be wondering what's on my hand. It's actually henna that I had put in my brother's wedding, and now it's chipping off. That's why it looks like this. I'm actually not sick. I know some people must be like, oh, what's wrong with her hand? She is getting some black stuff. Well, it's just henna and it's gonna chip off, and it looks bad right now, but I can't get rid of it, so I have to deal with it. Plus, you guys should appreciate that I'm filming when I'm sick. I can't even talk, like seriously guys, I can't even talk. I've been really sick for the past 15 days, no joke, like really sick. I went to the doctor yesterday when I came back, because I only trust one doctor, and I don't know, I just don't trust anyone else, and I just go to him. So yeah, and if you guys are wondering about this makeup look, then I posted it before this video, then you guys can go and check it out on my channel. This makeup look is also up, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this hair, and if you guys haven't subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. And I need to clean all this mess up now. That is lifestyle of a YouTuber, and yeah, after filming, after enjoying filming, after doing so much fun stuff, and then you have to clean up. You have to finally clean up, guys. So anyways guys,